Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to delete all chats in Messenger. To delete all chats in Messenger, you'll need to delete them one by one, as there isn't a single delete all option. So first, open the Messenger app, locate the chat you want to delete, swipe left on the chat, tap more, tap delete, confirm the deletion, repeat for each chat you want to remove. Deleting a conversation in Messenger only removes it from your view. The other person in the conversation will still have access to it unless they also delete it from their account. And that's it. While Messenger doesn't yet support mass deletion natively, now you know the fastest ways to clean things up in 2025. Keep your inbox tidy and message privacy.